Hello everyone. Today we have a truck. It is the Mercedes-Benz Unimong 1300L. So this is a 2019 casting, like it started on from then, and today we have it in the HW Dirt edition. Earlier this year it was in the Heavy Haulers edition in light blue color, and last year it was in the anniversary edition. Yes, so this time around we have this. Looks nice. Overall it looks nice from this, in the carded way. If we see this, so today we are here to uncard it anyways. So without any further ado, let's do this. Okay, so if you're a returning viewer, you know my struggles with the knife and how I have been, but today seems like it is a good day for me because so far I haven't had any issues. If you're a new user, then you will know once you go through my older videos. So this is uncarded officially. Oh wow, I never expected this. Just hold on 1 second. This is the Mercedes-Benz Unimong truck. Okay, so they have the rear view mirrors in this one, but this doesn't have any. Yeah, I expect, what could we expect more from 179 rupees INR, right? So we'll give you a closer look to this one. The paint looks very nice. I hope the camera is justifying the color. Yeah, it is 100%. It says 830 here. Front tempo, I think they don't have the headlight details, and even the Mercedes logo, it is just embossed. Here on the side we have too much stickering, right? It says Unimong right on the door. If you see closely, there are some truck elements that have been detailed, like the door hinge, yeah, and this one here, and the door handle, not the knob. The wheels are very nice. These are, one second, golden trims, yeah, brown color wheels, because it is a dirt series vehicle, and it has 6 spoke wheels. 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah front and back. So this is the base. Okay, made in Malaysia, metal, 2018, Hot Wheels. This looks so nice. Yeah, we have this underguard, front and back. This is the top view. I'm not sure what are these. Maybe these are the spares, I guess, and they have some other equipment here. I hope that's the camping equipment, right? Yeah, it rolls nice, soft and smooth. Yeah, let me change the camera angle. So we have changed the camera angle. Okay, so this is the Unimog truck. Okay, I am really impressed with the paint job that they have done on this one. There are no paint irregularities as such, or not. You cannot see even on the side, what do you say, whatever you call this. I'm very new to this. Please, if you know what is this called, let me know. So but it looks very nice and detailed. Yeah, for 179 rupees. Okay, this is very nice. It rolls very nice. It is quiet. What else is there to talk about this car? this particular vehicle. All in all, I think the green suits much better than the blue one. If you haven't seen the blue one, I'll leave the link to it below. Okay, you can check out that. But I think this looks very nice. Oh, the golden wheels look very nice. They stand out. The color, the paint job, the stickers, the decals, if you call it, I guess, they're all nice. It is nice from the rear, from the front. You don't have any tail lamps on this one. Obviously it's an off-roader. I think they don't have that on this one. So I think that is it. There you have it. This is the Unimong 1300L truck from Mercedes-Benz. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please do like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let me know what car next would you like me to unbox. If I have it, I will definitely uncard it. Okay, so stay tuned for further videos. This is me signing off for today, and hope you have a great weekend. Thank you and bye.